This video is about tagging doors in a Revit environment. A lot of people try to use the tag all feature on the annotate tab. This feature, although it will get you results you want, you have no control over the position of it, how it relates to the door or anything like that. I'm going to show today is using the element tagger feature that comes with RF tools to be able to tag doors and actually have a representation of location orientation to how the door is. You can see in this design here that I have a bunch of angled walls, doors coming in at almost every angle. And I'm going to show you how to apply door tags to all of them and have a relationship to one of the sides of the door. So element tagger is found, like I said, on the RF tools tab. So this is the element tagger tool. What's important is that you should load the presets found at the S Revit Genesis element tagger template text file. This is where I store all the different settings for the element tagger. One of the options in the preset list is doors. What you'll see here, is a type called type tag. That's when you should be selecting, and it represents over here the door tag and what family you're going to use. I created a new one specifically for us for a line. This way it automatically rotates with the door, and it will align with the door. And other features that are in here is the relationship from the insertion center point of the door and to where the tag will be. This will make sure it also eliminates any clearance families that are embedded inside the door. To actually avoid picking up existing doors, you should be using the clearance section. For this case, since I know everything is new, I don't necessarily need to, but I'd recommend on existing renovations use current selection. For this representation, I'm going to use the all elements option, and I'm only going to do the current view. And so I just hit apply tag, and this will go through and apply tags to all the doors in here. So when I close out of this, you'll see that I'll start looking at all these doors, and it applies the tag over to the side of the door. It does it vertically in relation to how the door is set, and you can see that everywhere the door does, no matter what the rotation was. I'm still working a little bit on the vertical aspect of it. It seems a little different on certain doors, but you can see that you tagged everything. You got you pretty close to what you need for your documents without it working that hard on it.